Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about how to preserve formatting in HTML. So guys, sometimes you want your text to follow the exact format of how it is written in the HTML source document. So in such cases, we can use the pre-formatted tag, that is PRE. So guys, basically any text that is between the opening PRE tag and the closing PRE tag will preserve the formatting of the source document and the content that is in between the PRE tag over here. So let us understand this with the help of example now. So basically this was the previous code that we had written. So I'll just remove these lines of code over here. And this is the basic structure that we have already seen. We have the doc type HTML and then we have the main HTML tag, inside which we have the head starting and the ending tag and the body starting and the ending tag over here. So basically we are going to update the title, that is preserve formatting, so that we can see the changes in the browser. So guys, we are going to have the PRE tag over here. So we have the less than symbol and then we type PRE. As you can see, VS Code is suggesting us this tag, that is the PRE element represents a block of pre-formatted text in which the structure is represented by typographic conventions rather than by elements. So whatever you type inside these PRE start and the end tag, the formatting will be preserved. So let me show you one example. So let us say we write the JavaScript function. If you are not aware about the JavaScript functions, then don't worry, we are going to check them in the upcoming videos as well when we are going to cover the JavaScript tutorial series. So over here we are just writing few lines of code as far as JavaScript code is concerned. So over here we are writing the function and the function name is test, and then we give certain arguments inside the open and close parentheses over here, and then we have the curly braces, and then we are going to simply alert something, that is the test. So over here we have the alert statement as well. So guys, this is nothing but it is a JavaScript code that we have just written inside the PRE tag. No need to worry about the functionality over here. It will be just displayed on the UI for now. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So previously this was the content of the test.html that we had written. Now once we press the reload this page button, as you can see we have got the preserve formatting title over here, and this is the formatting that we are looking for. So basically inside the pre tag you can see these are the space characters over here on all the three lines, and that is what is being displayed on the UI as well. You can see all these are space characters over here, and basically we are preserving the format in which the code is written. Let me just remove the space characters over here. So we'll quickly remove the space characters from all the lines, and then we will see what will happen on the UI. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, all the space characters are gone because we have removed them from here. So this is the way that we can preserve the formatting, and the way in which we write the code in our HTML document, the same way it will be displayed on the UI as well. Guys, what happens if we don't provide the PRE tag to preserve the formatting? So let me just remove these tags over here, the start tag and the end tag. So after removing them, we are just keeping these lines of code over here inside the body tag. Let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, all the lines of code are displayed on one single line over here, and it is not preserving the format in which we have written in our source document. And then what if we provide the P tag over here, that stands for paragraph? So if we enclose these lines of code inside the paragraph, let us check what happens. So over here we'll just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, it is being showed as a paragraph, but all the lines of code that we have written over here on different lines, those are not being preserved. So we can enclose them within the PRE tag once again inside the paragraph, and let us check what happens then. So over here we have the starting and the ending PRE tag, and then let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, now we can see the formatting is being preserved. So guys, this is the way that you can preserve the formatting in the HTML in case that is the requirement while you are working on your projects. So guys, please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is HTML elements versus tags. So stay tuned.